My people, wetin dey go on between proud mom and umenwan? Una don fẹ́ dudu vaga? I no understand o. As two of una don fẹ́ dudu vaga before, now this one say I no dey do again, this one say I no dey do again. Wetin come be the big matter wey be say una no wan forget each other? Abi una still get feeling? I get feeling for you, I get feeling for you. Come on, get that. Una get feeling for each other. If una get feeling for each other, make una settle una sef. Why all this insult, disgracing yourself on social media? Why all this nonsense? If una still get feeling for each other, because me believe say feeling still dey. Because if feeling no dey, today proud mom go come out. If proud mom don still forget, tomorrow umenwan go come out. Abeg, make una behave mature, make una enter house settle each other. Because if una no get feeling for each other, I no see the main reason why today proud mom will come out for umenwan. If proud mom don still forget the matter, tomorrow umenwan go still carry the matter come. Now una start to dey date for social media, not be una. So many people don date for social media, which no 2 year no hear am. Why una all come dey different? Is it because una be saga partner? Two craze jam each other. Who go settle them? Umenwan kolo, proud mom na kolo. Who wan settle two of them? Nobody go settle them unless na another kolo person go still come settle them. Because umenwan head dey hot, proud mom head dey hot. Who wan settle them? Even thank God say una no marry, say na so the relationship reach. Because these two people now dey house, they say they call themselves husband and wife. The day when two of them go fight, they go almost kpai one person go kpai for inside. Which kind wahala be this one? We date or we do vaga each other. As una don do finish, una go leave each other. I no want again. Why quarrel every time for social media? Why una no dey let us hear word? If una still like each other, make una settle una sef. Umenwan, if you still want proud mom, call her. You be man. Proud mom, if you still want umenwan, call umenwan. You be babe. If you like your partner or person when you and I don't do like this before, if una quarrel and your mind still dey for this person, just call the person, say I still like you. If the person say no, just that one thing about una, if una talk to each other for inside house, it must come out one day for saga. Na be the problem. I believe say likeness still dey. Una still like each other. Two kolo, they still like each other. Umenwan na kolo on his own, proud mom na kolo on her own. You see, they still like themselves. I don't see the reason why every day fight. Proud mom will come out next month. If proud mom don't still forget, umenwan go still come out again. Wait till they go on. This una love, This una love, e no get part 2. Umenwan, na so you say still dey pa. Na so you say still be. Obasuyi. Hey, people like us no dey know umenwan because the day when he go say he wan beat us, he go beat us, we go dey shake. Before I go talk one word, before I go talk one word, he go don beat me finish. People dey laugh me, they go. Now proud mom na fit umenwan. Proud mom, it be fit umenwan. Just that two of them to marry, one person go kpai for inside one person. My people, make we listen to matter for inside life. Before we go, my amazing people, before we listen to audio, if today na your first time when you dey on, I greet the house, I greet everybody. Welcome back to my page. Welcome back to my channel. Umenwan.
Small cassava so you saw family 1 year plus, you know. Small cassava, umasi. Smoke cassava, udawa cow, umachula se for level. Una go smoke cassava for 2 weeks. Una do smoke cassava for 2 weeks.
What?
Emma, Emma, soyo, Frank, you are killing me. Oh, Frank, you are killing me. Frank, you are killing me. Frank.
Wahala deo. La deo.
Smoke cassava now. Smoke cassava with Avia. Oh, here, oh, no, you want to see the baby. I want to go, baby. Hey, I'm going. Smoke cassava.
Not yet.
Oh, where big cassava? Why would the food duplex? A duplex, my never moon, Jamie. Or have where? Let the cassava make below. Where have with the food duplex? Let me talk. Can I use a ladder to climb it? Ladder, my Lord Jesus is my ladder. No, I didn't hear that way. I didn't hear that way. You women, but I can't go away. I can full president like who went to one of the yeah, how can I see the end?
My people, what do you not think about this Frank and Prad Mom matter? The matter tire me. These two people, they no want rest for each other matter. They feel they even sometimes you go see Oyibo, Oyibo with Oyibo, they go jam each other for club. They go do vaga, they go leave each other. But our own, if we leave each other, we go come turn out to another thing. This one go say the gbola no reach anything. This one go say the kpekus na where. When na they enter inside, you umewa no know say na well. When Prad Mom, they carry the gbola anyhow. They open am, they saifwa. You no say the gbola na small cassava. Abeg you. Make we tell each other the truth. Una still get feeling for each other. Make una try iron the matter. Wetin dey go on? Una be why not with a dioma? Or why not a madam? So why all this disgrace? Why disgracing yourself on social media when una go fit all call each other hello babe? May we forget this matter now. Abeg, I still like you. Matter don't finish for there. Now we dey take sense of a thing like one big thing because one na don separate. This one go say no man na lazy girl, the girl na dirty girl. Or the girl go say no mind the boy igbola no reach anything. Una don forget say that time when una dey put the igbola for inside uhe, one una go dey open mouth dey scream. Everywhere go dey shake. Una don forget say the igbola na small igbola before. The man go forget say when he dey chook the gbola dey enter that time. The kpekus dey sweet am anyhow. They know say the girl dirty that time oh. They know say the girl na kpekus too open. But that moment, our Nigeria, our Africa, not only Nigeria, na Africa people, that moment when be say two of them don't separate, we say I know they do again. This one say I know they do again. You will see hate. Why all those? This thing are children thing. See Oyibo life. Una even fuck. Una go fuck together. So Oyibo with Oyibo, they go fuck each other. If they fuck finish, they'll see each other. They'll say hi. They laugh with each other. Our own not be like that too. We'll try stop all these things. We'll listen to umenwan before we end the video.
How can I see the LCA of your pekus? Where are you LCA of your pekus? Where? For you, I'll be past the commas. Don't believe me, only one will where am I LCA? I'm in the TV your goals away. Can I go and kill myself inside that pekus? Did you want me to go and kill myself inside that pekus? This is the problem of Ashawo.
Umenwan, na that borrow gbola joy your gbola na. So that he go they reach the down for her. Prad Mom say na small cassava. Prad Mom, you for find something. I join the cassava, make the cassava they reach the down. Umenwan they say use the way to do igbiage. My people, wetin una think about this matter? Una no feel like say umenwan and Prad Mom they still get feeling for each other. Make una reason and balance this matter because relationship where two of them for not get feeling for each other, they no go see they come social media, they disgrace themselves like that. Please, my amazing people, no fail to help me to like and share the video and also follow the page if you have not done that. Stay blessed. Bye.